Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get custom fonts for your text in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are, and first let me show you the normal font of Notion. It would be like this. So let me type something random, and yeah, it's like this. So if you don't want this and you're tired of this, what I recommend you to do is go into google.com right here, and then you want to go and type for text fonts online right here, and then you would have this first link right here. This is what I recommend, but of course you are welcome to try the other websites right here. You can also do that, but in my case I would just use this. This is what I want. And then right here you can add your text. So let's say sample custom text right there, and then you can put some font styles right here depending on what you want. You can go for a fancy one, you can go for a small one, or maybe glitch. You can also do that. So let's say I want this one right here, so I'm gonna click on copy on that, and then go back into Notion and then simply paste this right here. So I'm gonna paste that, and now as you can see, it's now in a different font right here. So you can just paste your text right here, and then it would be all done in this website. And the next one, let's go for fancy this time. So I'm gonna go for this one right here and click copy, and then just paste it right here on my title, just like so. And now I have my custom font, and it would also be applied right here at the left side right here. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.